Hi friends, welcome to Digitech. Today we are going to see Boat Soundbar 2.1. This model is Boat Avante 1550 and this is of 120 watts. This I bought in Flipkart during the Big Billion Days sale. So here you can see the side of the soundbar. It has the function buttons, that is the power on and the input button. So it has a volume up and down and a USB port. You can see the power is on. So it has four input modes. It is AU, that is the aux, OP, that is optical, HDMI and Bluetooth. This is the back side of the soundbar. So you have the input ports here, you can see clearly. There is the HDMI, optical and aux, and it has a two hook where you can wall mount it. The finish is of glossy type. You can see the subwoofer. So it has got a nice design and a glossy finish. So it is made of wood. The front side is plastic. On the side you have the 60 watts subwoofer. So on the behind you have nothing, just the information about the product and the connectivity. So that's a wire. This could have been on wireless, but for the price range it is fine for 4500. Let's play some test sound from YouTube and check how the bass is. The cost of the soundbar is 4500 in Big Billion sale. So it is bang for the buck. It's definitely a very good price for the price range. It is thundersome and the sound is very nice. So you can enjoy a theater-like experience while watching movies or listening to music. So it comes with a remote with all the options that is needed for accessing the soundbar. Let's listen to the sound now.
Maybe it's the power trying to come back on.
What is that? Where's it go? He left us.
And where does he think he's going?
When you gotta go, you gotta go.